Hey, so what accounting software is compatible with QuickBooks? Well, I invite you to check out Link My Books. This is an accounting software that's compatible with QuickBooks Online, and you can connect your sales channels, your e-commerce sales channels, such as Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Walmart, Etsy, TikTok Shop, Square, or WooCommerce to QuickBooks Online or even to Xero for accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. So in the description, you're going to find the free trial of Link My Books with a special link. And also this link helps you get free onboarding with Link My Books. So that means if you have any questions or anything's unclear, people from Link My Books will walk you step by step, answer all your questions, and help you make the most out of Link My Books. And also there's a special 50% off for 3 whole month coupon code down in the description of the video. Great to meet you. I'm an Amazon seller, Vova Evan, and I'm also an affiliate of Link My Books. So if you ever do business with Link My Books by clicking on my link, I'm going to get a little commission from that at no extra cost to you. And this way you can support my free content. So again, with the Link My Books, you can get accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot. So save time and money by automating your bookkeeping. All sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for. Automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks. Built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. And again, it's like an integration software. So again, you can connect your e-commerce sales channels such as Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, TikTok Shop, Square, and WooCommerce to Xero or QuickBooks. So for example, for Amazon, sync Amazon payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, breaking down all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately. Now, if we scroll down a little bit, we'll see that Link My Books works with e-commerce sellers, but also with accountants and bookkeepers. So what does that mean? You as an e-commerce seller can use it. And if you're an accountant or accounting firm, you can use it as well. So we've prepared for you special videos in the description. First video that shows you how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers with Daniel Little, the co-founder. In the 30-minute video tutorial, we show you from A to Z how Link My Books works. Of course, with a free onboarding, again, through the free trial link in the description, you also will get all this explained to you. However, I would recommend you watching just to understand how it works before you even kind of get to things. Of course, up to you, but I think it's going to be useful for you. 30-minute step-by-step video, how it all works from A to Z. If you're an accountant, bookkeeper, then we have another video for you with Daniel Little, the co-founder, where we show you how to use Link My Books for bookkeepers and accountants. So in this way, you can onboard more clients if you are an accountant or an accounting firm. So you can save a lot of time for yourself because you'll be able to basically manage more clients with software. Software is a pretty cool thing that helps save time and avoid errors, basically. So again, if you're an accountant, bookkeeper, Link My Books can be useful for you as well. So again, in the description, I'm reminding you free trial and free onboarding link. Thank you for using my link. I'm an affiliate of Link My Books, so I'm going to get a little commission in case you'll ever do business with them. And I'm truly grateful for that. I'm in this way keeping my content free. You have no paywalls at vovaevan.com or here on my YouTube channel. Truly grateful for that. And I'm hoping that your e-commerce journey or generally your journey as a human being is going to be good. So wishing you happiness and all the best. And the link, free trial, best coupon code for Link My Books is in the description. Be well. Good luck to you. Bye-bye.